So evaluating all these expressions, the one they want you to use here, 27c plus 16 minus 27c, they want you to use the associative property. You could think of this in your head as an all addition problem. You don't necessarily have to write it out like this. You can rearrange addition and subtraction as long as you keep the sign to the left of the number, but you could write it like this too. Because now that it's all being added, we can rewrite this using the commutative property. I don't know if I said associative. I shouldn't if I did, because I'm not changing the grouping. I'm changing the order. And so these combine, they cancel out, leaves us with just 16. Then on 195, like we saw in a previous video, 0 divided by s plus 13, it doesn't matter what this is. If you have nothing and you're trying to split it up into what, like 12 groups, it doesn't matter. Every group is of size 0. Okay? And 201, if you, like, let's say this turns out to be 100 up top. 100 split into no groups, meaning not even like the original group of 100. Split it into no groups, that's undefined. And then here, I guess this is kind of the inverse property of multiplication. 5 over 7 times 7 over 5, they're reciprocals, so they make just 1. And so if you have 1 in front of a parentheses, as long as it's not -1, you can just drop the parentheses. So that's what that one simplifies to be.